It's a very tough group.
Very tough.
Yes.
مجموعة صعبة.
For the other side, some decisions I not understand. Honest. This decision, the cast to do a free draw. It puts Zamalek and Arli in the same group with the political situation, what happens before, okay, between the police, the army, and the ultras. I don't understand why they did this. Where are we going to play? Are we going to play against Zamalek these 2 games? In Saudi, in Afghanistan, in Pakistan, where are we going to play them? Where are we going to play the match? They want more war. They want more people die. They want more problems.
Give me chance please. Give me chance. Give me second. Give me second. انا بقول لك، انا بقول له المجموعه، قال لي المجموعه صعبه جدا، طف جدا. قال لي بس انا مستغرب انتوا بتقولوا القرعه فري والقرعه حره. الاهلي والزمالك في الوقت الصعب ده مع الخناقات، مع الناس اللي بتموت، مع الالتراس، انتوا عايزين تعملوا بطوله في افغانستان ولا في باكستان ولا تروحوا فين؟ يعني ازاي الاهلي والزمالك في مجموعه واحده؟ But this is draw, Mr. Manuel. The same situation in the other group between Taragi and Najm Saheli. Tunisian team, both of them also have a big popularity, and so it's very difficult there.
But it's a question of sense, Sober.
Yeah.
The situation is not good.
Yeah.
Why we play, if the situation is normal, why we play without supporters? Why Zamalek play without supporters? Why Rimpi play without supporters? It's not a normal situation. Cannot be a free draw. They must do inform the other clubs. They do agreement. Zamalek stay in one group and Arli in another group.
You would like to play with your supporters? Yeah.
This is the people don't think about the responsibility of this. Okay. This is wrong.
Okay, that situation. But technical, what do you see for this group? Mazembe is very strong team. Zamalek, as you know, is not easy. Also the Ahli and the team from Ghana. I don't I don't know anything about this team. Shum Selchil. I don't know his name exactly.
Me too. About this team from Ghana, I have no any information about that.
Like
but Zamalek we know, and Zamalek know us. And Mazembe from Congo.
Yes.
You know what they did before. They have a good team. I would remember the 1 year ago, the final, the Champions League. Taragi lose 5-0 in Congo.
Yeah.
And I saw what they did in the Mundialito, Japan. I don't know if they have the same players or not. They are stronger or not, but they are strong. I'm sure they are strong. It's going to be. I think the qualification going to be all the respect for the team from Ghana, but going to be between Zamalek, Arli, and Mazembe. But it's a very tough group. The other group is more easy.
سالته عن رايه في المجموعه، قلت لكم الكلمتين اللي قالهم في الاول. الفرق بعدين سال على الجمهور، قال انا ليه اتحرم من جمهوري؟ انا عايز العب بجمهوري، جمهوري عامل قوه بالنسبه لي، عامل مؤثر بالنسبه لي، لازم يكون في جمهور، وجمهور ايضا للزمالك ده مهم. قلت له المجموعه الفرق، قال طبعا انت تعرف وانا اعرف الزمالك واقدر الزمالك واحترم الزمالك. الزمالك تيم قوي له احترامه وله تقديره، احد الفرق المرشحه. يبقى ايضا مازيمبي، وقال ان مازيمبي وصل لنهائي كاس العالم، هو قال في اليابان لكن النهائي كانت في ابو ظبي. وقال انه كسب الترجي 5-0، لكن قال انه ما يعرفش معلومات عن بطل غانا، لكنه اكد انها مجموعه قويه وانه التنافس هيكون عنيف، وبيامل انه هو والزمالك يصلوا ويصعدوا من خلال هذه المجموعه. Let me ask you about حسام غالي. What's the situation now?
The situation?
Yes, with حسام غالي.
The situation, Hussam Ghali is in the national team now.
I know, but with you.
My relation with Hussam Ghali, the personal relation is very good. Ask him.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
I take a professional decision and a technical decision. I'm the coach, and nothing more. The personal relation is very good. You know, I like him as a man, as a player. Was some problems, and I solved the problems, and I try to do a technical, like I said, a technical decision. And nothing more than this. There's nothing between me and
nothing.
And Hussam Ghali. We are friends.
You are friends.
Yes.
And he's still Ahli captain.
Yes, he stay out.
He's still Ahli captain. Maybe next
Yes.
season?
What?
Maybe next season also?
If I stay here, no. I told them clear. If I stay as a early coach, he never play early again.
He
If
never
I not stay, this is a problem between the club and them. But Hossam is a very good person. I like him as a person. No hard feelings between me and him. And he understands my decision. Maybe he not agree with me, of course. But we respect each other.
You respect each other. If you stay, he will not play.
No.
He will not stay in Al Ahly. If you stay in Al Ahly, Hossam Ghaly will not stay in Al Ahly.
No.
No. This sharp answer. Let me ask you about your situation with Al Ahly. With Al Ahly, some people said Manu Jose is very happy and he would like to continue his career with Al Ahly, and others said no, he will finish, and maybe Espanyol against Al Ahly, it will be the last match for Manuel with Al Ahly.
And the people is normal in this situation. The people speculate so much about this, but this is normal. And said this. When I coming from Spain, we're gonna decide. But one thing I'm sure, we don't know nothing about Egypt. The football in Egypt is completely in Egypt. The football in Egypt is completely dark. Okay. And the football in Egypt not exist in this moment is only political, okay? If I'm gonna be the most hard decision in my life, believe me, because I'm coming here to finish my career here. I love the club, I love the country. The people, the Egyptian people are unbelievable with me, not only the early supporters, they are fantastic with me. And I can't forget this. I cannot pay what they give me. And but of course I'm going to take a technical decision. I'm going to take the decision with the brain, not with the heart. With the heart I stay. But okay, when I come, it's more 4 or 5 days. They're going to know what's going to be my decision.
If they told you that the league will be continue and everything will be finished and you have all things League Cup and nothing next season, it will give you chance to stay with Al Ahly?
If someone say that, maybe it's magic, huh?
Yeah.
You know when I'm gonna start? You don't know. Nobody knows.
Nobody knows.
We're gonna play with the Champions League. We're gonna play here in Cairo with supporters or without supporters. When we're gonna play against Zamalek, we're gonna play against this team from Ghana or Mazembe. When start the league, nobody knows. Nothing is completely dark. If someone gonna tell me this now, I don't believe. I want to believe the man must be magic, but I don't believe in magic.
Mr. Manu Jose, thank you very much. Good luck. Have a nice and safety trip, and we with you.
It's a pleasure to talk with you.
Yeah, thank you very much.